Hello students, welcome to Mahesh Science YouTube channel. Here we are discussing one chapter named Cell Cycle and Cell Division. In this chapter, in previous videos, we already discussed regarding mitosis. In this video, we are going to discuss regarding meiosis. Okay, first let us understand what do you mean by meiosis and why it is important. It's a kind of cell division, especially it is a special kind of cell division. Why it is special kind of cell division? Let's see here, in all sexually reproducing organisms, gametes are produced by this process. Okay, see, gametes are produced by what? Meiosis. Okay, see here, if the parent is diploid, okay, if gametes are produced by mitosis, then what happens? Let us see. If gametes are produced by mitosis, the daughter cells formed are having same number of chromosomes because mitosis is a equational division. In such case, gametes are going to be what? Diploid. Okay, let's assume it is a male body and it produced two diploid gametes because of mitosis, and here it is a female and it also produced two gametes by mitosis again, which are also diploid. In such case, what happens? By fusion of gametes, the whatever progeny formed is going to have 4n number of chromosomes, means tetraploid. Okay, tetraploid. Let's say, for example, if gametes are produced by mitosis, in case of humans, a parent body is having how many chromosomes? 46 chromosomes. Even due to mitosis, what happens? Equational division. Again, the gametes produced are also having what? 46 chromosomes. After the fusion of these two gametes, the total number of chromosome is going to be what? 92. See, the chromosome number is getting doubling in the progeny. If this progeny again produces gametes by the same mitosis, okay, each gamete is going to have 92 chromosomes, and fusion of two such gametes with the 92 each chromosome, then it is going to be 184 chromosomes. This will create what? Complication. So we need a special kind of cell division in which what should happen is a chromosome number must come to half in the gametes. Then only after the fusion, while forming zygote, the chromosome number can be maintained same as that of the parents. Okay, that is why because of mitosis, gametes are production of gamete is not at all possible. So we need one special kind of cell division, that is nothing but our meiosis. Meiosis is a reductional division in which what happens? Chromosome number get reduces to half. If parent is having 2n number of chromosomes, then gametes are going to have what? Haploid set of chromosomes, that means n number of chromosomes. So in such case, what happens? The progeny is going to what? Progeny is going to have diploid set of chromosomes. This is how meiosis is helpful to maintain a constant chromosome number in a specific species. That is why it is very essential process. Then what is meiosis? First, let us define what is meiosis. Now I am writing definition of meiosis. See here, meiosis is the special kind of cell division. Meiosis is the special kind of cell division in which chromosome number reduces by half as that of the parent. See, this is what a definition for meiosis. Let me repeat it. See here, meiosis is a specialized kind of cell division, special or specialized kind of cell division in which what is happening? See here, in which chromosome number is reduced by half, in which chromosome number reduces by half as that of the parent cell. Parent cell is having diploid set of chromosome. Okay, here chromosome is number is getting reducing to half. Okay, this is what a meiosis. Then where this meiosis occurs? See here, meiosis occurs in see here, sex cells. Okay, where the meiosis is occurring? Meiosis is occurring in sex cells. For the same sex cells, we can use the term as a germ cells. Germ cells, which are also termed as, okay, sex cells, germ cells, or even which are also termed as a meiocytes. Meiocyte. In the second PUC, you are going to define what are meiocytes. See here, meiocytes are the cells which undergo meiosis. Okay, meiocytes are the cells which undergo meiosis. Okay, see here, meiosis occurs in sex cells, or even we can say germ cells, or we can say meiocytes, or even we can say them as a gamete mother cells. Gamete mother cells. Gamete mother cells. To be specific, in case of males, see here, in case of male, what kind of gamete mothers are cell? See here, in case of male, spermatogonia are the gamete mother cells. Whereas in case of females, oogonia are the gamete mother cells. Got it? See here, where the meiosis occurs? Meiosis occurs in the sex cells. Which are the sex cells in males? In case of male, spermatogonia are the sex cells or germ cells. Even we can term them as a gamete mother cells. Gamete mother cells. Whereas in case of female, oogonia are considered as the gamete mother cells. In the second PU syllabus, you are going to study what? Spermatogenesis. That's the process in which spermatogonia will become into sperms. Okay, that occurs because of what? What kind of cell division? That occurs because of meiosis. Okay, meiosis. Even oogenesis, that also occurs because of meiosis. This is how the meiosis occurs in what? Sex cells. Okay, then meiosis. What are the key features of meiosis? See here, key features. Let's talk about key features of meiosis. Okay, the first key feature is it is a equational division. Remember, it's a equational division. That means here chromosome number reduces to half as that of the parents. Sorry, I'm telling wrong. It's not a equational division, it is a reductional division. Okay, see here the key features of meiosis. Among them, the first one is reductional division. Reductional division. What do you mean by reductional division here? Here chromosome number getting reduces to half as that of the parents. That is why it is considered as a reductional division. Let's say, for example, if parent cell is having 46 chromosomes, then by the end of the meiosis, what the gametes are formed are, they are going to be haploid. Okay, they are going to be haploid. At the end of the meiosis, four haploid gametes are going to be formed. Okay, 4 haploid daughter cells are going to be formed. That is also one of the key feature of the meiosis. See here, at the end of meiosis, see here, by the end of meiosis, 4 haploid gametes are 4 haploid gametes we can say, or we can say 4 haploid daughter cells are formed. 4 haploid daughter cells are formed. Okay, 4 haploid daughter cells are formed. See here. See here. One more thing regarding meiosis. Meiosis ensures the haploid phase of the life cycle. Meiosis ensures haploid phase of life cycle. Haploid phase of life cycle. Meiosis ensures what? Haploid phase of life cycle, whereas fertilization restores the diploid phase of life cycle. Diploid phase of life cycle. This point is important. Meiosis ensures haploid phase of life cycle, whereas fertilization restores the diploid phase of life cycle. Yes, this is also one of the key feature. Then in case of meiosis, one more key feature is there. One more key feature which is going to be very important. Okay, so let's see what was that. See here. Due to meiosis, what happens? Meiosis is having one more key feature, okay, which is going to be very important. Let's see what was that. Meiosis is having 2 sequential cycles of nuclear and cell divisions. Meiosis is having 2 sequential cycles of nuclear and cell divisions. Meiosis is having 2 sequential cycles of nuclear and cell division. Okay, they are also known as meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. Meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. Okay, that means in meiosis there are two more cycles of nuclear division as well as cell division. The first one is meiosis 1 and second one is meiosis 2. And in meiosis 1 also there is a karyokinesis and cytokinesis, and karyokinesis is further having 4 phases, such as prophase 1. See here, in meiosis there are 4 phases, that is prophase 1, second one metaphase 1, then third one anaphase 1, and lastly telophase 1. Okay, in case of meiosis 2, again 4 phases, just same as this, but number is going to be 2. See here, prophase 2, metaphase 2, then anaphase 2, and lastly telophase 2. See, meiosis is having 2 sequential cycles of nuclear as well as cell divisions, which are known as meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. In meiosis 1 there are 4 phases. Okay, that is prophase 1, metaphase 1, anaphase 1, telophase 1. Like that, in meiosis 2, again there are 4 phases: prophase 2, metaphase 2, anaphase 2, and telophase 2. So there are two cycles of nuclear division as well as cell division. But a single, but this point is going to be important. But in case of meiosis, but there is a single DNA replication. This point is going to be important. In case of meiosis, what? In case of meiosis, there is a single DNA replication, not two. Of course, nuclear and cell divisions are two, meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. But there is a single DNA replication that too takes place in particular phase of life cycle. That particular phase of life cycle is nothing but S phase, just same as the prophase. Here, in case of prophase, DNA replication took place in S phase. This like that. Same also happens in meiosis also. So in meiosis, there is a single DNA replication that takes place in S phase. Okay, let me represent all these things in a particular life cycle so that we can understand better regarding the meiosis. Okay, here right now I am going to draw a life cycle which is same as the mitosis, but there are some slight changes. Let's see what are those slight changes and how the life cycle of meiosis is there. Okay, let's assume this is a life cycle of meiosis. Of course, here also there will be interphase of 95% duration. Okay, let's assume this is all regarding interphase. Here also there will be G1 phase, just same as mitosis, and here also there is a S phase, and here also G2 phase, which are all just same as the mitosis. But here in M phase there is a slight difference. What was that difference? Here in M phase, see here, in the M phase there are two cycles of nuclear division and cell divisions. Okay, see here how they are. I am representing them graphically. See here, this is what karyokinesis of meiosis 1. Okay, here what I am representing, this is what meiosis 1, and this one is our meiosis 2. Just same as mitosis. In case of mitosis, what happens? There is only a single M phase, but here two M phases are there. One is meiosis 1, second one is meiosis 2. In between these two, there is a small phase which is of very short duration called interkinesis. In between meiosis 1 and meiosis 2, there is a phase called interkinesis. And in meiosis 1, there is a karyokinesis as well as cytokinesis. In karyokinesis, there are four phases. We already named them as prophase 1. Okay, prophase 1, then metaphase 1, anaphase 1, and telophase 1, which is followed by what? Which is followed by cytokinesis. Okay, in meiosis 2 also there are four phases. We already named them as a prophase 2, metaphase 2, anaphase 2, and telophase 2, and lastly there is which is followed by cytokinesis. Okay, this is what a big difference between mitosis and meiosis. In mitosis there is a single M phase, but here in meiosis there are two M phases, that is meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. Okay, remaining all phases are same. Here also a single DNA replication, that single DNA replication takes place in S phase. Okay, here what our DNA replication takes place, that too in S phase. Okay, see, this is all points regarding meiosis. Okay, this is all regarding introduction about meiosis. Still we have to study the phases. Okay, phases of meiosis, that is meiosis 1 and meiosis 2, which includes prophase 1, metaphase 1, anaphase 1, telophase 1. Then in meiosis 2, prophase 2, metaphase 2, anaphase 2 and telophase 2. Those things we are going to discuss in the next video. Okay, so if you like this video, please hit a like button and get subscribed to my channel and share this video to all your friends. Okay, we'll discuss the next points in the next video. Thank you.